This video from solveyourtech.com is going to show you how to turn off the Send as SMS option for text messages on your iPhone. We'll start with a quick overview of the entire process, then we'll go through each step individually. If you want to stop your iPhone from sending iMessages as regular text messages, then you need to open the Settings app, choose the Messages option, then scroll down and turn off the Send as SMS option. Start by finding the Settings app icon on your home screen and selecting it. Scroll down and choose the Messages option from the Settings menu. Scroll down and tap the button to the right of Send as SMS to turn it off. To summarize, you can turn off the Send as SMS option on your iPhone by opening Settings, choosing Message, then turning off the Send as SMS option. For more information and to read the entire article, visit solveyourtech.com.